Hey, this is a quick tutorial on how to upload a domain.tar file on the Vodia PBX. To start, make sure you log into your Vodia and that you're at the current domain page. Next, click Create. Name your domain. Then, under Create from File, click Choose, go to your domain.tar file, and then click Open, then Create. Once it's created, you'll see the usage, 4 users, 4 extensions, no registration, and you can go in and then check each extension that's there. Looks like everything looks okay to me, and that's how you upload a tar file to the Vodia PBX.